Peace, blessings, and love to the melanated family. This is the Herald out of New Orleans coming to you with another informative video. All praises to our creators and our ancestors. The family, this video is going to be about the truth. A lot of people don't want to hear the truth, but the truth is the truth. The truth will overcome lies. People love to hear lies. Our people have been lied to for 500 years. But when people come with the truth, they don't want to believe it. Not our people think we came from Africa and calling themselves African Americans when you was born here, when your mother and father was born here, and their mother and father was born here. There's history. There's a lot of information that melanated people was already living here in America before European invasion. We was invaded by colonizers and thieves and murderers, same way they colonized Africa, the same way they colonized Australia, the same way they colonized the Caribbeans, the same way they colonized South America, same way they colonized Papua New Guinea. Everywhere these colonizers went, they found us. But a lot of us want to believe that we all came from Africa. The people of Papua New Guinea was always living in Papua New Guinea. The black people that was living in Australia was always living there, not in Africa. A lot of black people was already living here in America, South America, the Caribbean, when the Spanish and the French, and the British, and the Germans, and the Jews came. And they came with no love. They came with no compassion. They came with no empathy. It just came robbing, committing genocide, committing rape, stealing land, and creating this evil system that we're living in today, which is not our system. The God they believe in is not our God. Your God is within. The energy from the universe, the energy from the Most High. And that's the problem with our people today. They don't want to believe the truth. They love the lies. They love Santa Claus coming down the chimney, rabbit lay eggs on Easter Sunday morning, and white Jesus, and the 4th of July, and Halloween, and Thanksgiving, and New Year's. All these pagan holidays that was created by them, the colonizers. A lot of our people don't want to do no research. Mr. Charlie says true. Miss Becky says true. I don't have to believe you. And that's the mindset we need to get away from. Dealing with nothing but the truth. Not dealing with no lies, not dealing with no propaganda and false narratives that has been programmed and conditioned into our minds. And somebody else's way of thinking, somebody else's way of doing things And most of the ways and things they do are evil and unrighteous and ungodly. That's right, family. So start believing in the truth. Start doing the research because the truth will prevail. The truth, the only thing more powerful than the truth is the Almighty Creator and the universe and nature and all of it combined into one. That's right, family. But we're going to cut this video short. Start doing the research. Stop listening to Mr. Charlie and Miss Becky lies that they have been telling us for the last 500 years. Peace and love. Put up the likes and share. Stay tuned for the next video live stream. We're going to let the horn blow a while. Have a blessed and lovely day. Have a blessed and lovely weekend coming up, family. Stay diligent. Be careful out there because the enemy is roaming all around. Yeah, let the horn blow. Let freedom reign. Let the children sing. Peace and love, and I'm out.